Internally, as you can see, we've got a lovely open plan room here, lovely entrance to the property. We've got the kitchen just behind me, bedroom to the ground floor at the end of the property to my right hand side with a bathroom and utility room, and then upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and bathroom as well. Well, the elevated garden out of the annex which you've just seen, with the property and the annex itself, this is an absolute perfect property for the multi-generational family if it's a requirement. It does bring a nice little investment catchment on it as well, so if you're interested, let me know. So that was our property in Reynoldston. As you can see, it's finished to a superb standard. It's a beautiful property, and with the added annex as well, it opens up a lot of opportunities. If you're interested in seeing this property with me, please get in touch with our office. Speak to me directly. My number's on the screen just by there. Be delighted to speak to you. Can't wait to show you this house.